Hey guys, welcome back. Just wanted to do a little update about the Ace setup that's on the car. To remind everybody, I've got the 42.7mm Ace Anaconda header, overpipe, catless front pipe, and the Laguna 100 catback exhaust. I'm going to do a little cold start and then take it for a drive so that you can get an idea of what the Laguna 100 sounds like. Then I'll be switching mufflers to the Laguna 90 that I just got for daily use and for any tracks that have sound restrictions. So as you can hear, cold start's pretty ridiculous. I'm sure my neighbors probably hate me, but yeah, just wanted to give you a little idea. Now let's strap the GoPro on and go for a little drive around Northern California. Alright, so yesterday we did part 1 of the clip. Today we'll do part 2. Part 2 is the Laguna 90 exhaust. Yesterday we did the 100. So here's a cold start. just wanted to give some of my driving impressions between the Laguna 100 and Laguna 90 exhaust from Ace. The Laguna 100 is very, very loud, very drony on the highway. Can be quite obnoxious at times, especially on long road trips. We just did a drive from Northern California, north of San Francisco, to Laguna this past weekend, and it was pretty loud and uncomfortable the whole drive. The Laguna 90, on the other hand, is very, very quiet, very civilized, very almost stock levels of sound versus the 100. I might even say that the Laguna 90 is quieter than stock, does not drone at all on the highway, you barely even notice it. At idle, it's almost completely silent. As far as acceleration runs go, the Laguna 90 does get a bit buzzy at the top end, though it's not quite that bad, really. Especially considering that it flows so well and still produces power, versus most of the factory or most of the aftermarket exhausts out there. It's pretty unique as far as its ability to just keep the whole thing quiet. As we all know, the 86s are pretty notorious for having incredibly loud exhausts, even with what's supposed to be a quiet setup. The Laguna 90 is the one to go with if you want performance, a little bit more sound, and just a very, very comfortable, quiet ride. Also, if you're an 86 driver who tracks these cars, and you're going to have to pass sound, and with most exhausts you're not going to, especially at tracks like Laguna Seca. At that event we were at this weekend, there were a few cars out there running the Laguna 90, and they passed sound with absolutely no problem. I mean, even at full bore on the straightaway, they were very quiet and civilized, and I mean, it's just really, really impressive, especially considering that Ace is, known for making some of the most high quality parts for the 86 chassis. For them to be able to do a 90 decibel or less exhaust is very, very impressive. The quality on the system is unrivaled. And I'm not just saying this because I'm lucky enough to be sponsored by Ace. If I wasn't, I would still buy all their parts. In fact, I intended to buy everything in their catalog even before I was offered a sponsorship. And I mean, the guys at Ace have just been absolutely amazing with, providing feedback and just everything from customer service to shipping times. Everything has been amazing. I know that there's some delays on some of their parts, some of the more hand-built stuff, like the 42.7mm Anaconda, 48mm Anaconda headers. I know that there's some delayed shipping on those, but I mean, they are truly making them to order, and just making incredible power and just providing a product that nobody else on the market can even come close to. I mean, it's just truly, truly impressive, and I'm very, very proud and excited that there's somebody out there doing what they're doing for this chassis. In closing, I really hope that everybody checks out Ace, and I hope that this clip, or that this video gives you a little bit of an idea of the sound of the two, so that you can kind of make your own decision as to which one you may choose. A lot of people have also been asking about the whole reverse light situation, since the exhaust does go in place of the factory reverse and third brake light. As you can hear, that was full throttle, so pretty good something that does kind of suck as far as, you know, I mean, visibility of these cars is already pretty hard in reverse, but I'm actually trying to work on finding a lighting company. I may reach out to Diode Dynamics or somebody about doing some sort of solution for anybody who runs this Ace exhaust. I also know that Counter Space Garage is doing a different tip now that may help solve that problem, but you know, for the meantime, I've just been running no reverse lights and just being very careful when reversing, or pulling through in spots, parking out far away enough that I can pull through. As far as DOT legality, like, I mean, that's a thing that you kind of run the risk of, but I mean, it's totally worth it as far as the quality of this exhaust system and everything that it offers. So yeah, if you like this and want to see some more, I've got some more progress coming on the build here soon. Be doing brakes, using that Stop Tech Sport kit, installing a new radiator, and starting to just prep the car over the winter for the new season of the 86 Cup that I'll be competing in next year. The dates were just released yesterday. A lot of exciting events, a couple races at Sonoma, some at Laguna, and a lot up at Thunderhill. There's a couple down in Buttonwillow, so I'll try to maybe make it down to SoCal and do a couple of the SoCal 86 Cup Series driving events, and then yeah, you know, basically just prepping the car and getting ready for next track season. So yeah, if you want to see more and you like this, please give a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with your friends, and we'll keep going.